Morning, guys. Oh, this afternoon is like 2:30 right now, but watching a movie called Playback. It's pretty interesting so far, but not really that interesting. Well, it just started. I'm only like about 12 minutes in. But I make peanut butter sandwich. Then I don't think I have anything else to eat around this place. I can put the banana peppers on it. Yep. Be disgusting. Hey, CJ. Do it, guys. Do that. Can I go tinkle though, guys? Can I go tinkle? Can I go tinkle? Here's a hairdo bear. You can hear it. Boom, boom, boom. I'll feel that I like work tonight. My clothes. I like clothes and work. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fred's ready to go. I'm check. Come on, TJ. Good. Get down here. There you go. Alright. Right. Make peanut butter sandwich. Let them in. We'll finish watching this movie. Try to find a little to watch. Running out of scary shows on Netflix. Same old bullcrap. Some are like from like the 90s and stuff. Alright, but anyways, I'm gonna continue watching this peanut butter sandwich. Keep you guys in touch. Alright, guys. Well, it's that time for me to end the vlog for today. I know it was just like a little one clip and then this like always, but yeah. I don't have Bear tonight in here. I bet he's out there waiting for me to open the door so he can come in. See. There he is. Come on in, little man. There's the guy. What's up? What's up? There you go. Oh. Back up there where you belong. Yeah, everything got back to normal, huh? Well, yeah, work went by pretty good today, I guess. Went in at 8 o'clock, got out at 12:45. I got home at 12:45. I got out around probably 12:20ish, I guess, 12:25, 12:30. Yeah, I think 12:30 because it takes me about 15 minutes to get home. But overall, work wasn't that bad. We weren't that busy, thank God. Just Bear laying down there. I don't know why. Bear. What you doing? Huh? What you doing, Bear? What's the matter? Don't know what he's doing. Being a weirdo. Being a weirdo like always. Being a weirdo like always. I guess we're gonna be in the vlog, don't ya? You need a vlog hug. But, yeah, a movie that I watched, it wasn't really that good, but it was one of those kind of movies that you're like, oh, you gotta finish it and see what happens in it and stuff. But it was a pretty good movie, actually, but I didn't really enjoy it all that much. Or I should have picked a different one. I didn't even go up there and get on my stuffed animals over there. Too bad you're not going to get them. Want you a hug? Thank you for the hug. Doggy hugs. Huh. You look really tired. Why don't you get some sleep? Okay. Get in your bed and get some sleep. Did you guys hate it when you're like this is like plugged? It's not really plugged, but it feels like it. You're like it's like right in there. When you try to avoid that, it's like doesn't wanna be unplugged. What? Nothing up here. See anything? What you looking at? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to bed here. I gotta work at 7 tomorrow, so I get a whole day again, so that's pretty good. Well, yeah, anyways, if you guys are new, please subscribe. I check out Sam a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Have a good day, alright? Or when you watch this. Bye.